Hey TinkerBlock makers, today we're combining digital input and output to create something really cool, a button-controlled LED toggle system. This is where your TinkerBlock projects start becoming truly interactive. We're using two TinkerBlock modules, the TK01 XL LED and the TK04 push button. The concept is simple but powerful. Press the button once to turn the LED on, press it again to turn it off. It's like having a light switch that you can control with a button. Here's how it works. We use edge detection to spot when the button is pressed. Instead of just reading if the button is high or low, we detect the moment it transitions from low to high. That's when we know someone actually pressed the button. The magic happens in our toggle logic. We use a variable called LED state to remember whether the LED is currently on or off. When a button press is detected, we flip this state using LED state equals LED state. The exclamation mark is the logical not operator. It flips true to false and false to true. We also need to handle button bounce, that annoying tendency of mechanical switches to send multiple signals for a single press. We use a small delay in state tracking to make sure each button press only triggers once. The beauty of this system is how responsive it is. The LED changes state instantly when you press the button, and the serial monitor shows you exactly what's happening and so on. This is a fundamental building block for so many TinkerBlock projects. Once you can toggle an LED with a button, you can control motors, displays, relays, or any other output device. It's the foundation for user interfaces, control panels, and interactive systems. The TinkerBlock system makes this incredibly easy. No breadboard, no jumper wires, just plug the modules into the Shield and you're ready to go. Both modules have built-in resistors, so you don't need to worry about damaging anything. Try this. Upload the code, press the button, and watch that LED toggle on and off. Then, try pressing it rapidly. You'll see how the debouncing prevents false triggers. It's satisfying to see your first interactive TinkerBlock project working perfectly. This technique opens up endless possibilities. You could add multiple buttons for different functions, create different patterns based on how long you hold the button, or build complex state machines. The toggle concept is just the beginning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TinkerBlock tutorials.